make avocado shake. Oh my gosh! So, guys, nakalimutan kong mag-on ng camera. So, nandito na yung avocado and then brown sugar natin because we're going to make avocado shake. Saglit yung ice ko. See, oh, ang daming ice. We're going to pokpok. Going to pokpok. Let's hugas. Oh, it's okay. Ice. Okay. O ayan, may nakaabang na. Hindi ko na siya natikman, guys. Naula na yung avocado ni Sean.